today I'm going to unbox the Oppo Find X3 Pro. Sorry, let me try again. Today I'm going to unbox the Infinix ZERO 5G which launched last month. Well, look at this baby! It comes with a slim, sleek body with a unique curved design and has a smooth slope on the camera housing. Some of you might be thinking it looks quite long, but you can turn on the one-hand mode, so you can use it in one hand while the other hand is busy with something else. There are 3 color variants to choose from: Cosmic Black, Skylight Orange, and this Horizon Blue. I believe that you already noticed the back has a glossy finish which will attract fingerprint stain, but from far still okay and not obvious. You can use protection if you want to avoid unnecessary cleaning steps. To be honest, I think the design kinda look like the Oppo Find X3 Pro. But what do you think about it? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below. Alright, back to the front. There is a 6.78 Full HD Plus Ultra Smooth display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. As for the bottom part, there is a USB port, a 3.5mm audio jack port, and a speaker. The volume button, power button, and fingerprint scanner are on the right side, whereas the SIM slot is on the left. Beside that is for a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, 128GB of internal storage, and 8GB plus 5GB extended RAM. As for gaming features, there is a Darling engine that allows you to block notification when gaming so you won't get interrupted. Worry about the battery usage? No worries, because the phone is powered by 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W safe fast charge. It lasted me for 1.5 days with normal usage. On audio quality, I play some music to try it out. Here is our sample.
Dr. Michael Morbius, you've been missing for 2 months.
When you're a stranger.
Then you were found on a container.
I went from dying to being more alive than ever.
Although the device for a mono speaker, I think it is quite loud, but I think it has a room to grow, such as having more bass or adding another speaker on the top of the device to create and enhance the music experience. Still, I'm satisfied with it. On the camera side, it sports a 16MP dual flashlight selfie snapper and a triple rear camera with 48MP main camera, 30MP portrait lens, and 2MP bokeh lens with a dual color temperature flash. The device also supports up to 4K of video recording for both the front and the rear camera. Here are some of the videos and photo samples. As for the pricing, the device comes with a price tag of 1,099 ringgit. Wow, quite a budget-friendly smartphone. I think it is worth getting it because it has a decent chipset, big battery, and a big display. But if you are the one who chases perfect music quality, I guess you can check out the other devices. Let us know what do you think about these devices, and don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and goodbye. Bye!